Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kesha Fania Permana. In this video, I will present my project syntax with the topic sentence structure and syntax tree diagrams. Okay, sentence structure basics. Sentence structure refers to way words, phrases, and clauses are arranged to form meaningful sentence. Understanding sentence structure helps us create clear communication, avoid ambiguity, and express ideas more effectively. Next, introduction. Sentence structure is essential in English grammar because it determines how information is delivered. By learning the basic patterns of sentence, such as simple, compound, complex, and compound complex structure, we can improve both our writing and speaking skill. Okay, next type of sentence structure. 1. Simple sentence. A sentence with an independent clause. Example, the sun rise. 2. Compound sentence. Two independent clauses joined by a conjunction. Example, I prepared the food and he set the table. 3. Compound sentence. One independent clause plus one or more independent clause. Example, when the movie ended, everyone clapped. 4. Compound complex sentence. Two independent clause plus one or more dependent clause. Example, because I was hungry, I made some noodles and my brother cooked egg. Okay, next example of each structure. 1. The children laugh. 2. Compound. I finished my homework but my brother is still working on his. 3. Complex. Because the light went out, we use candle. 4. Compound complex. Although the word by busy, we process carefully and we reach the part. Okay, next explanation of each example. 1. Simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. 1. Complete ideas. 2. Compound sentence use a conjunction, for example, and, but, or, to connect to complete ideas. 3. Complex sentence include a dependent clause that cannot stand alone. 4. Compound complex sentence mix both structure, multiple independent clause, plus at least one dependent clause. Okay, next, why sentence structure is important. Understanding sentence structure is important because 1. It helps us organize ideas more clearly. 2. It improves writing quality and flow. 3. It allows us to vary sentence patterns for better expression. 4. It aids comprehension in reading and listening. 5. It strengthens grammar awareness for academic and professional communication. Conclusion. Sentence structure play a crucial role in creating clear and effective communication. By understanding how simple, compound, complex, and compound complex sentences work, we can form more meaningful ideas and explain terms more confidently. Mastering sentence structure also supports better grammar, writing skill, and overall language proficiency. Okay, next part 2, syntax tree diagrams. 1. The teacher teaches English. In these three diagrams, the sentence consists of two main parts, noun phrase as the subject and verb phrase as the predicate. Inside the noun phrase that are determined the noun teacher. Inside the verb phrase there are verb teachers. Noun phrase as the object which contains noun English. These three show that English functions as the direct object of the verb teaches. 2. The student read a book in the library. This sentence is slightly more complex. The main structure is still subject, noun phrase plus verb phrase. Noun phrase subject contains determine the noun student. Verb phrase contains verb read. Noun phrase object determines a noun book. Prepositional phrase preposition in noun phrase determine the noun library. The prepositional phrase in the library explain the location of the action read. 3. The man in the black jacket helped the old woman. In this sentence has a longer noun phrase subject because it contains a prepositional phrase as a modifier. Noun phrase subject determines the noun man. Prepositional phrase modifier prepositional in noun phrase determines the adjective black noun jacket. Verb phrase verb helped. Noun phrase object determine the adjective of noun woman. These three show how multiple phrases can attach to a noun to give more detailed information. 4. The girl played the guitar. The structure is simple. Noun phrase simple determine the noun girl. Verb phrase noun phrase object determines the noun guitar. This is an example of simple sentence with the pattern subject verb object. Next 5. Sarah will visit her grandmother after final exam. This sentence uses a modal auxiliary. Noun phrase subject noun Sarah. Verb phrase auxiliary will. Verb visit noun phrase object determine her noun grandmother. Prepositional phrase prepositional after. Noun phrase determines the adjective final noun exam. The prepositional phrase after final exam explain the time of the action visit. And next, my friend bought a new phone yesterday. Noun phrase subject determines my noun friend. Verb phrase verb bought noun phrase object determines a adjective new noun phone. Adverb yesterday. The adverb yesterday explain when the action happened. And next, they have been studying English for 3 years. The sentence used the present perfect continuous tense. Noun phrase, pronoun, they. Verb phrase consists of auxiliary have, auxiliary been, verb studying, noun phrase object, noun English, prepositional phrase duration, prepositional for, noun phrase determines 3, noun years. The prepositional phrase for 3 years show the duration of the activity. And next, The sentence use transit verb meaning a verb with two objects. Noun phrase subject determines the noun teacher. Verb base verb give noun base direct object noun homework. Prepositional phrase indirect object. Proportional to noun phrase determines the noun class. Next, A9. The dog has the cake. This sentence is very simple. Noun phrase subject determines the noun dog. Verb phrase verb case noun phrase object determines the noun cat. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.